and smoky, look at that. Oh, ha! She's smoking like a mofo. Yeah, man. Ha ha! Smoking like crazy. What's that, a blown turbo maybe? Holy shit, look at the smoke coming out of that thing. Ah, ah. Yeah, look at the fucking smoke coming out of that thing. Oh, baby. Yeah, man. Chuck it.
The vast majority of engines that are used today use diesel fuel. Diesel is a dirty fuel. There are clean alternative methods that are out there, and that's where dynaCERT is providing an alternative solution by cleaning up the emissions. Hydrogen provides a cleaner burn, and by providing a cleaner burn, you're providing a cleaner atmosphere. In the case of Fortune 500 giant Pepsi, we retrofitted a fleet of over 200 transport trucks with our patented hydrogen technology. These hydrogen-injected trucks operated 2 shifts per day, 200,000 miles per year. Pepsi achieved an average of 15% fuel savings. That's huge. That's over 800,000 gallons saved, and based on today's prices, represents over $3.3 million saved in 1 year. So based on that success alone with Pepsi, we're now more confident than ever before that we're ready to take this technology to the next level. Consider a port. Nearly every aspect of the port involves a diesel application that could benefit from dynaCERT's hydrogen technology. From the ship carriers, the generators powering the port, the cranes, the trucks, and with 99% of all containers being moved by rail, let's not forget the trains. We're talking about a multi-million-dollar savings in fuel costs alone and an enormous environmental impact.